It's the classic debate: which is better, Nissan or Toyota? Well, that all depends on who you ask. But, regardless of preference, both cars have proved to be reliable and popular choices in the automotive market. Nissan and Toyota have been around for many decades, and both have had their fair share of success. For decades, Nissan has produced vehicles that offer a great value, performance, and efficiency. Toyota, on the other hand, has focused on reliability and a commitment to quality standards. When it comes to performance, Nissan and Toyota are both quite impressive. Nissan's vehicles can provide a lot of power and torque, while Toyota's vehicles are designed for efficiency and performance. Both brands also offer great safety features like anti-lock brakes and airbags. When it comes to cost, both Nissan and Toyota are quite comparable. Both brands offer a variety of cars that range in price depending on the features, but overall, they are both reasonably priced. However, Toyota is often known to have higher resale values due to their excellent reliability. Toyota and Nissan have both stood the test of time, and both are excellent choices when it comes to cars. Ultimately, it comes down to personal preference. Do you want a car that offers a great value, performance, and efficiency? Then Nissan may be the best option. Want a car with reliability and resale value? Then Toyota may be for you. Subscribe if you like cars. We will have more coming soon.